Understanding, give the thumbs down, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard in movies, conversations, or seen in social media comments. Give the thumbs down. It's a fascinating idiom that carries more meaning than you might think at first glance. So, let's explore its origins, meanings, and how to use it in everyday English. Give the thumbs down is an idiom that means to reject, disapprove, or express a negative opinion about something or someone. When you give something the thumbs down, you're essentially saying that you don't like it, don't agree with it, or think it should not proceed. It's a powerful expression that conveys disapproval in a clear and often visual way. The phrase, "give the thumbs down," has a fascinating history that dates back to ancient Rome. Contrary to popular belief, in Roman gladiatorial combats, a thumbs-down gesture by the crowd or the emperor was thought to signal mercy, meaning the defeated gladiator should be spared. However, over time, popular culture has flipped this interpretation, and now a thumbs down universally signifies rejection or disapproval. This change in meaning over the centuries shows how language and symbols can evolve. Using "give the thumbs down" in sentences is straightforward. It's best used in informal contexts or discussions where you're expressing an opinion. Here are a few examples. The committee gave the thumbs down to the new policy proposal, citing numerous issues. I had to give the thumbs down to the movie. It just didn't live up to my expectations. Our manager gave the thumbs down to working from home, preferring everyone to be in the office. Remember, while it's a useful phrase for expressing disapproval, it's important to be mindful of the context and the audience to ensure your message is received well. And that wraps up our exploration of "give the thumbs down." We've seen its meaning, origins, and how to use it effectively in conversation. Idioms like this add color and depth to our language, making English vibrant and dynamic. We hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more confident using "give the thumbs down" in your own conversations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you in our next video.